We've got a lot of hair on top. We like that real natural slick back, and to hold that, we're going to be using the Modern Pirate Superior Pomade. One of my personal favourite pomades. Real light, easy to use, run through the hair. You can use your fingers or use a comb. With my client, he does have a lot of hair, so I am going to use just that little bit more. With the clear, pinky consistency, we're just going to rub that through our hands. We're going to start working it through his hair with our fingers. And you can already start to smell that coconut and vanilla smell. Lather that product over the hair to get that real nice, clean, slick look. With our Superior Pomade, for that nice natural look, you can just use your fingers, but with my client today, I'm going to use a comb. And with that comb, we're using a wide tooth comb, and it's going to just give that extra finish to the haircut, run some comb lines through there and really work that product right down to the roots.